Very nice curly shag to start off the video. This one does feature some curly bangs in the front. She has a stunning natural curly texture to her strands. Loving this transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So next up we have someone with blonde hair. She has a grown out color here and the hair comes to around her shoulders. So it looks like she is getting a color refresh with this one. Some bangs added to the front. And it looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. Very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have someone who is going to be getting a bob. So it looks like she is going to be adding some bangs with this bob. Oh, very nice. And even though her hair is naturally straight, the stylist was able to add a bit of texture to it. So then we move on to the next transformation. It looks like she's going to be getting some color done with this one. The stylist cuts the hair, mixes in some color. So there is the before, and there is the after. Beautiful dimensional blonde shoulder length bob. Very nice. Gorgeous transformation. So moving right along, we have someone with shoulder length hair, and she decided to get a shaggy mullet style. This is a very popular hair trend, especially for the fall 2023 season. Such a cute style idea. And then we move into the next transformation. She does start off with mid-back length hair. So the hair is placed in 2 ponytails and the stylist begins to cut. Into a beautiful chic bob. Very nice. This one does feature a little bit of a slight angle. So then we move on to our last transformation in today's video. She has this beautiful natural thick curly hair. And the stylist did add some layers to her strands. And did a blowout. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.